Yes, this is what you should be expecting for the day on our Swiss franc JPY. So make sure you subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. Make sure you like and share. Make sure you make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram section. Now let's start with the trend on our Swiss franc JPY. This is our Swiss franc JPY and it is very much simple and it is very much clear. We are in an uptrend. This is in our overall movement. Market is trending to the upside, right? That is the main trend, which is the overall trend. But when you take a look at what market is doing currently, you will see that market is literally ranging. This is our current trend, and market is ranging. Now take a look at this movement right here. Market rallied up right here. It rallied up from the support level and came to tap our resistance. Then once it got to the resistance, it rejected and jumped to tap our support, right? Market eventually rejected from this our support and came back to tap our resistance. Now pay attention to this. Market got to this resistance, rejected from the resistance and dropped to tap our support level. Market eventually rejected from our support level and came back to tap our resistance. Then it was able to reject from the resistance and drop to tap our support level. This is one of the reasons why you're having this candlestick week sticking out because market is rejecting from the support level. Now with this movement, we should expect market to actually push up again since we need to hit our resistance level. So this is one of the reasons why we will be anticipating for a bullish move from the Swiss franc JPY. So if you are not yet in the buy, it will be best you need to go in for the buy. Now pay attention to this movement on your 4-hour time frame. This is it. This is our support zone, and we are having a multiple rejection at this support zone right here. So market was able to drop to reject, right? It rejected and it pushed up. Market then came back again to retest this level. We rejected, then it pushed up, right? Market eventually came back again to retest this level, rejected, and it then bounced up, right? So you can clearly see this as kind of like a resistance and support zone, right? Minus resistance and support zone. The market was able to come to this support rejected, and now we are now expecting it to reject from the support level, which is currently doing that. So it is now going bullish. So we should expect that bullish move to play out. It is able to tap and hit our resistance level. So this is to tell you that a bullish move is what we should expect on our Swiss franc JPY. Now, if there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I do the update and let you guys know. So make sure you subscribe in order for you to miss out on the updates.